Thursday afternoon, everyone. It is a little bit cold. I hope you are dry and comfortable. My name is Janelle Sawyer, kababayan in Los Angeles. If you will remember earlier this week, we talked about Tea with Music, which is a play presented by East West Players, which is the premier Asian American theater organization here in Los Angeles. This afternoon on the show, we're going to have a little bit of music from that play. If you missed the interviews, catch it on YouTube, youtube.com/kababayanla18. We talked about the interesting play and the wonderful music and songs. And like I said, today we're going to have a sample of those songs here on the show. But before anything else, of course, it's a Thursday. Magchismisan po muna tayo. What's the latest with your favorite Philippine stars from Philippine show business?
The latest chismes in Philippine show business is brought to you by Pinoy Insider, your #1 source of Filipino entertainment news.
Eugene Assis is the editor-in-chief of the Philam Insider, which is the only 100% Filipino American newspaper concentrating on Philippine showbiz news here in the Southland. And he was kind enough to send us some information and some news, mga bago pong chismis, kaugnay ng ating mga paboritong artista. First up ay si Vic Soto at si Pauline Luna, na mukha daw hindi na po tinatago ang kanyang relasyon or ang kanilang relasyon. There was a premiere night of a movie in the Philippines called The Kilabots, Pogi Brothers. It is a comedy tandem ni Wally at Jose ng Eat Bulaga. Sabay daw dumating at naglakad sa red carpet ang hinihinalang magnobyo at magnobya na si Vic Soto at Pauline Luna. Umakyat daw po ang dalawa sa balcony section ng SM Mega Mall 10 Cinema. Nagsigawan ang mga fans nang kumaway ang dalawa. Sa umpisa daw ay ayaw pa ng dalawa na magtabi ng upuan dahil sa mga TV camera, pero hindi na rin sila nakaiwas nang dumugin sila ng mga reporters. Ayon kay Pauline, hindi naman sila nagtatago sa mga tao, ayaw lang daw nilang magsalita dahil mas maganda raw na tahimik para tahimik din ang kanilang relasyon. And a lot of people are saying na itong dalawa daw po na ito ang bagong Dolphy at Jaja Padilla dahil sa kanilang age gap. Alright, isa pa pong couple na umamin sa kanilang relationship ay si Jody Santa Maria at si Jolo Revilla. Si Jody raw po ay hindi na tinatago ang kanyang relationship with Jolo, pero maingat pa rin sa kanilang mga kilos. Inamin naman ng dalawa na sila ay inspirado ngayon sa kanilang relasyon. Jolo has a kid. Siya po ay isang binatang ama, pero sinabi po ni Jody na sila ay masaya sa kanilang relasyon. In fact, Jody has agreed to help Jolo sa kanyang kampanya next year for Jolo's bid as Vice Governor ng Cavite. Kahit na kalaban nito ay kapatid ng ex-husband ni Jody. Ang ex-husband ni Jody, of course, we all know si Pampi Lacson. Anak naman ito ni Senator Panfilo Lacson. Natutuwa naman daw si Jody dahil kahit inamin niya ang kanilang relasyon with Jolo, malakas pa rin ang tambalan nila ni Richard Yap sa Be Careful with My Heart. Another news story na pinadala po ni Eugene Assis ng The Philam Insider is about Regine Velasquez. Kilala po si Regine na magaling na mangangawit. A lot of her concerts, even here in California, have been sold out. But just recently, nagkaroon po ng konting kontrobersya sa kanyang naging concert. It was all over Twitter kung saan nagkaroon po ng unfortunate incident. Nagkasakit po itong si Regine. But you know, as performers, they say the show must go on. And so she went on stage. But because of the virus, mukhang nasira daw po ang boses ni Regine at ilang beses na pumiyok sa naturang concert, which is why a lot of people are branding her now as the Piyok Queen. Nangako naman po si Regine na babawi siya sa ibang date ng concert, which was originally set for December 8, pero although they are trying to push that back once again para daw po magbigyan ng mas mahabang panahon na makarecover ang boses ni Miss Regine Velasquez at makapaghanda rin ang mga kasama nila sa concert tulad ng mga band members at iba pang staff. We wish you well, Regine. Of course, syempre, you know, nagkakasakit, tao lang po tayo, nagkakasakit, and of course, we can't avoid accidents and incidents like that. So we wish you luck sa iyong bagong concert, and we are going to report that to you when a date is set. Also, speaking of Twitter, si Ann Curtis, ang isa po sa inyong mga paboritong artista sa Pilipinas, ay isa sa 200 most followed personalities on Twitter. In fact, itong si Ann, nahigitan pa Sa bilang ng mga followers ang mga Hollywood celebrities gaya ni John Mayer at Ben Affleck. Yan. Mas marami pa pong chismis, pinapainit ang inyong hapon. I know it's raining and it's cold outside. Sana po nainitin kayo kahit papano ng mga chismisa natin ngayon. And if you want more information about your favorite stars sa Philippine show business, log on to their website, the Philam Insider, or www.philaminsider.com. We will be back for more on Kababayan LA. We have not one, but two Kababayan performers, musical performances from talented Kababayans. Don't go away.